Good morning, everybody. It is time. I am at Target and we are going to do my Target Ibotta haul. Not a lot of deals. I have not gotten a midweek deal. There might not be one. We will see. But I'm getting a couple things and I'm going to test out a couple things because there are some deals, but you have to do it online and I'm not doing it, so we'll see if there's a tag up. But it's just going to be a small haul, but that is okay. I'm here to share with you guys some deals. So let's go shopping. Here we have the Alive gummies. These ones are 30% off, the gummy ones are. So they're $8.99. There is a 30% off cartwheel deal that you guys want to do. You'll end up paying $6.29, but I did find some that have a $1 Peely coupon on here. So otherwise you'll pay $5.29. So it depends on how you want to do it. The coupon does say it is a limited 2 per transaction. But then we have a $4 rebate with Ibotta and a $2 rebate with Ibotta. So either be 29 cents or a 70-cent moneymaker if you guys can get that Peely coupon. Here we'll have the Always Discreet for $4.89. You want to buy 2 of them? You'll end up using a 5 off of 2 P&G coupon from 2 weeks ago. You'll end up paying $4.78. But then you get a 3 off of 2 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.78 or just 89 cents. Here we have the Palmolive spray away for $3.99. You guys want to use a 50-cent off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's Smart Source. You'll pay $3.49, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.49. Here we have the Barilla chickpeas for $2.69. There is a 75 cent off coupon in the Target Circle app, so you'll end up paying $1.94, but then you guys can submit your receipt to Ibotta to get $1 back, making a box of pasta just 94 cents. Here we have the Bonza rice made from chickpeas. They are $2.99, but then there is a 10% off Target Circle deal that you guys want to use. You'll end up paying $2.69, but then you can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.69. And you might be able to submit your receipt to Aisle. I made a video last week how to use Aisle. So it says boxes, so we'll see if this one works, but there's 50 cents. So either it'll be $1.69 or $1.19 after I submit my receipt. Here we have the Chips Ahoy for $2.89, but they're actually marked $2.45, so you want to use that for $2.45. There's currently a $1 off Target Circle coupon, or we have printables, so you either pay $1.45 or $1.89, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta, making it just 89 cents or 49 cents or 45 cents each. Here we have the Nature's Bakery Fig Bars. These are on sale for 2 for $5. You guys would pay $5 for this, but then there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, so you get $1.50 back with Ibotta. This we also have a 10-cent anything, and then with Fetch Rewards, you also get 750 kicks or 750 points for buying of them. It is a limit of 2, so you'll get $1.50 back with Fetch Rewards. So your grand total for both of these come out to be just $1 a box, $2 both all together. Here we have the Perrier water for $4.99. There's actually a Target deal for 25% off, so you'll end up using that. And you want to use a $2 off insert coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You would pay $1.74 for this, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 74 cents. Here we have the Arm & Hammer lightweight cat litter. This is the 8 pounds. My store does not carry the other size, but these are $12.99. You want to buy 2 of them. You'll pay $25.98, but with Swag Bucks you get 3,000 points when you buy 2 of them, where it comes out to be a $4.02 moneymaker. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I went to Target this morning. I went a little bit late this morning because of children. But anyways, I had an awesome haul. I'm very happy with what I got. So I'm going to dig in and share with you guys everything that I got. So the freebie that you definitely want to get is this kitty litter. Now, the Swagbucks website does say that it resets every week. So you guys can do this weekly depending on how long they have the deal for. But it is the Arm & Hammer Clump and Seal Absorbix. Okay, my store said they had 2. They actually had 4 in stock. But these were $12.99. $12.99. You want to buy 2 of them. You would end up paying $25.98 for the both of those. But with Swag Bucks, oh thank you. With Swag Bucks, you actually get 3,000 points back, which is equivalent to $30. And I did get my money right away. I submitted the receipt while I was in the store, and it did get approved, so I did get my money back right away. My money is still pending for the underwear that everybody's having a problem with, so I'm keeping my receipt. Depending on what happens with that Walmart haul from last week, we will see, but I may or may not return it. Oh, thank you. We got eggs and pizza. Mmm, delicious. Thank you. Good cook. Oh no. Oh no. Anyway, so definitely want to do that. It comes out to be a $4.02 moneymaker. Everything comes out to be free, and you guys make a profit, so you definitely want to do that. I actually had a personal coupon that showed up in my Target circle. I had a 5 off a $25 purchase, so I was pretty excited for that. I ended up getting the Perrier drinks. Now, my store had the tag marked on it for $4.99. There is a 25% Target circle deal where it comes out to be just, where did I lose my spot? It comes out to be like $3.74 after the Target circle deal. But you get a $2 rebate, that, or $2 coupon that we got from her a couple weeks ago. So you'd pay $1.74 for this. But I only had a $1 rebate with Ibotta, so it all depends. Sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 1, so everybody's account might be different. I know sometimes when it's a high value rebate with Ibotta, the next time it resets, it's not as high. But anyways, I got $1 back with Ibotta, so this just came out to be 74 cents. So my husband actually kind of likes it. It's not like his favorite kind of drink, but you know, he likes it, and he's a huge pomegranate person. So for 74 cents, you definitely want to do that. I ended up getting the Chips Ahoy cookies. Now this one was not marked, but some of them were marked $2.45. So when I went to the register, it did show it was $2.45. So this is $2.45. There is a $1 off Target Circle coupon that you guys want to use. You would end up paying $1.45 for this, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 45 cents. I am like Chips Ahoy and Oreo wasted, you guys. Like, I have so much, it's crazy. I plan on donating a lot of that stuff. I've actually started to make a box of food. I'm probably going to start making a second box of food items because I just want to start donating stuff. Now, here is a great deal. Now, I take regular vitamins every single day, and I take the Walgreens brand. And I'm so adamant on taking the Walgreens brand, and I'm like, you know what? I was like shopping, and I'm like, why not just take these? These come out to be pretty much for free, and I should just take them anyways. The only thing, they're gummies, and I like to put them in my little things. I'm hoping these don't harden out. Otherwise, I'll just have to take them out. But the live deal is great if you guys can do this. And my store had a ton of these Peely $1 off coupons. The coupons are only for 2 per transaction. It says it's a limit of 2. So I ended up using 2 coupons, and then I had another one for another time. But I ended up doing 3 of these. I left one still there just in case anybody needed one. I didn't want to pay like craziness. But anyways, these were $8.99. There is a 30% off Target Circle deal for the gummies, okay? And you guys would end up paying $6.29 for these. And otherwise, with my $1 off coupon, I paid $5.29 for each of these, which is still a pretty good deal. But there are 2 rebates with Ibotta for this. A $4 rebate and a $2 rebate. So you get $6 back with a rebate. So it either comes out to be just 29 cents, or if you guys have that coupon, it comes out to be a 70-cent moneymaker. 70-cent moneymaker, which I was pretty excited for. So I actually got 2 of those coupons, so I had a $1.40 moneymaker for buying these. So I'm excited to use these, and these don't expire till October of 2022 is what I read. So, oh, no, 2023. So I still got plenty of time to use those up, so I'm definitely going to take those vitamins. Now, I did the Always deal yesterday at Walgreens, and I wanted this deal to reset. I don't know if it reset yet. As of when I was at the store this morning, it did not reset, so that is fine. but I ended up getting the Always Discreet liners, okay? These were $4.89 at my store. I had a 5 off of 2 insert coupon that we got from our P&G, and actually I'm excited because you guys, I haven't used this many P&G coupons in a long time. I felt like I'm kind of just getting them and I barely ever use them, but I'm actually starting to really use them. And if you notice, the toothpaste doesn't expire till the end of the month, which is awesome. But anyways, I'm going back to my subject that I was talking about. But yeah, you use the 5 off of 2 P&G. You pay $4.78, but then there is a 3 off of 2 Ibotta rebate. It makes it $1.78 or just 89 cents a piece. Now, if that one reset, I would have gotten that again, and then I would have gotten a 50-cent bonus. There's if you make 3 different items, you would have gotten a 50-cent bonus. But the other one was too expensive, and I did not do that. But I think for $1.78 or 89 cents a piece for these, I think that's a pretty good deal. If you guys need to go ahead and get some of those. I've never bought Always Discreet. I think I may have bought one time. But, you know, it's nice to have that stuff. I got the Palmolive spray. Now let me know if you guys like this stuff, if this stuff is just as good as the Dawn, because I'm getting addicted to the Dawn. So this was $3.99. I used a 50-cent off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper, making it $3.49. But then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta. This does end in a couple days, so make sure you check it out before you purchase it. So a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just $1.49. So it's a pretty decent deal, but I'm hoping it's just as good as the Dawn spray. Okay, the next deal I got is the Barilla chickpeas. Now these were $2.69. There is a 75-cent off Target Circle coupon you guys want to use. You'll end up paying $1.94 for this, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it 94 cents. I'm swimming in this pasta. This is actually pasta that I know it's good for you, but I'm gonna donate a bunch of it, so that's why I got it to donate. I ended up getting this Bonza rice from Chickpeas, which just sounds actually kind of good. I got the garlic olive oil. These were $2.69. No, $2.99. Sorry. There is a 10-cent Target Circle deal that you guys want to do. You would pay $2.69 for this, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this either $1.69, plus there is a 50-cent aisle deal that you guys might be doing, but it says boxes, so I'm not sure if this works. I have submitted my receipt, but sometimes it takes a little bit for them to get back. I made a video last week to share with you guys what aisle is. Well, aisle is a cashback text program. It's not an app, it's a text program, but they're pretty cool. So I have videos for you guys if you want to see how that information works. But if that receipt gets approved for that, then I'll get a 50-cent cash back with this. So then it'll come out to be $1.19. So it just depends on how that deal goes. So I wanted to share with you on that. So I ended up doing the Nature's Bakery. Now I saw these were on sale, but it said it was for same-day delivery or same-day in-store pickup. So I wasn't sure, but I'm like, I'm gonna check the tags at the store to see if make sure that they are that price. So these were on sale for 2 for $5. You'd pay $5 for this. But there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta and a 75-cent rebate. It's the same rebate with Ibotta. So you guys would get $1.50 back with Ibotta. And I had a 10-cent any kind of bar or whatever with Ibotta. And then I didn't read it right, but the Fetch Rewards, it's 1 per receipt. I thought we were going to get $1 back with Ibotta, but I only got 75 cents back with Ibotta. So I did make a mistake with that. So instead of $2, it would have been $2.75, which is still an okay deal. So it depends on what you guys want to do with that deal. So, like I said, I did mention that I had a 5 off of 25 purchase that I did use. And when I walked in the store, there was no midweek bonus at all. Nothing. But then after I realized, after I got home, I submitted my receipt while I was still in the store, I realized that there was one. I needed 10 rebates to get $1. So apparently I had 10 rebates and I wasn't even gunning for that. So I was excited for that. So my total came to $64.40. Now, here is something, if you guys don't know this. Ibotta no longer has Target gift cards to use. I know, it's weird. I don't know why, but they no longer have Target gift cards, and they've had it for like that for a couple months now. Fun fact, what I found out is I sent some of my money to my PayPal, okay? I sent some of my money from my Ibotta to PayPal. You guys can actually purchase with your Target, through the Target website. You want to go and buy a digital gift card, Target digital gift card. You can actually pay with PayPal. So that's what I'm going to do, so I don't pay. Oh, you found a picture of Charlotte and Mommy. Yeah. Yeah, so that's what I did. I ended up purchasing a digital gift card through PayPal, but then I sent my money from Ibotta to PayPal. So if you guys don't know that, you can definitely do that, so you're not paying with money out of your own pocket. So you definitely want to check that out. What I end up doing is after I get the digital gift card, then I just put it on my Target app. So then all they do is scan the barcode. I don't have to take my wallet out or anything. So if you guys didn't know that, that is something that I just recently learned last week. So, because I ended up getting that $10 gift card that we got from the John Frieda deal, and what I did was that $10 Visa, I put it towards my Target purchase. I bought a Target gift card with that $10 Visa card, and yeah, so then I found out for that. But anyways, my total was $64.40 for everything. Like I said, I don't pay hardly any money. I roll my money like crazy. I ended up getting $28.60 back with Ibotta. I got Fetch Rewards. I got 775 points, which is 77 cents. Yay! With Swag Bucks, I got approved for $30 right away, you guys. With Aisle, I may or may not get 50 cents back. I'm not sure. I'm still waiting on that text. But I did get a mid-week moneymaker. I did get a text message while I was talking on the phone. So, no, it wasn't them. It was Gina. But I did get the midweek marker for $1 for getting 10 rebates. So my total would be $4.03. That's 14 items at just 29 cents each. If I do get approved for that aisle, it'll be $3.53 at just 25 cents each, which I will take. I'm pretty excited for this deal because I have to not... I don't care what brand I have, and these are sometimes better than anything. So, and there's 60 of them in here, so this will last me 2 months. So I got 6 months supply, which is even great, and I even got some, but I'm debating on going back to get more because I think this is a great deal, but we will see. If you guys enjoyed my Target Ibotta haul, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, I do want to let you guys know I did change my channel name. I changed it to Deals by DesignerJen just because it's been bothering me and I felt like I needed to change it, so it'll help me help you guys. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.